Hampton, across Creek Road. People down in Hampton know my name. They all come around just to hear me play.